Ayan guys, yung barong. Ganda niyan, okay?
Ay ka muna sa vlog. Ay ka muna. Ay ka muna.
So, hindi niya alam, ibibigay ako sa kanya. Gift for you, babe. Ayan. Shoutout kay Michi kasi binili namin sa Costco yan eh. Wow! Pangbardagulan. So, maraming salamat sa inyong mga YouTube. Diba guys? So, ayan yung gift ko sa kanya guys kasi
Wala ko sa iyo.
okay lang yun. At least meron akong gift sa
Thank you, babe.
Standing are the foundation of a long and happy life.
Abiding love.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I marry you.
I marry you.
With this ring, I marry you. I marry you.
Good morning guys. So kaagising ko lang. It's wedding day! So ready na si Jai, nakaligo na siya. So ako naman maliligo. So ang wedding namin is 9:30 a.m. Sa City Hall sa San Francisco dito sa amin. Magre-ready na ako guys and then wedding day. Let's go! T-shirt. So guys, ready na ako guys. Ready na tayo guys. Kasang barong natin. So ayun na si Jai. Hindi na lang kasi ang ceremony is 9:30. So aalis kami dito by 8:45 kasi 10 minutes pa po. Let's Uber. Talagang gini. So guys, nandito na kami sa City Hall. Hello po, Nino.
Hello po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
So guys, pupunta na kami sa loob. Mag-check-in kami. Kailangan namin ng isang witness. Ay si Mama, ayan, si Madam Imelda. Imelda Lilin Marcos. I think dito magbabayad ka dito eh. Mauna sila,
Hindi,
pangatlo
ibig sabihin
tayo.
sa-
Sasako na sila, oo. Ano naman na ako? Hindi na kami kumuha kasi sa ano eh. Isa na. Sige, kumuha man talaga. Ganda mo, babe ah.
Okay ba?
Lagay mo, Max, beauty shot. Beauty shot, Max. Hindi, ano lang to. Video to eh. Kung anong wish mo kay Jai.
Good enough. Birthday ko.
So guys, kinakabahan na si Jai. So, meron ditong kakasal na tatlo. So, pang third kami na couple na ikakasal ng judge dito sa San Francisco. Sila, mga Filipino din sila guys, ikakasal dito. Sila ata yung pangalawa. And then next na kami. So, waiting lang kami guys. Yeah. Kasi may kinakasal doon eh. Ready ka na, Vince? Copy. Next na tayo, Daddy.
Ha?
Next na tayo.
Ready ka na ba?
Okay. So, kita-kit sa ceremony, guys. Let's go. Next na po. Congrats. Congratulations.
Congrats po.
Congratulations. So, kami na guys. Ang next swap naman namin. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank
Sapa
you
dito
so
ka lang.
much.
Diyan ka lang.
You can take video or pictures. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Joseph, Jareen, we are gathered here today for the purpose of uniting you in marriage. The contract of marriage is serious and should not be undertaken lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously with a deep understanding of the responsibility and obligation that comes with marriage. No words that I, if anyone else says, can truly marry you to each other. That happens when you exchange your vows and your promises to one another. By entering into this marriage, you are pledging yourselves a lifetime in which you will support the other and will be partners standing together to cushion the difficulties of life. Rejoice in each other, to nurture your marriage carefully and watch it grow. Please remember that love, loyalty, kindness, and understanding are the foundation of a long and happy life together. No human ties are more tender and no words more meaningful than the vows you are now about to take. We'll start with you, Moses. You, Moses, take Janine to your lawful wedded wife, to her and to hold from this moment on for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish as long as you both shall live.
Yes, I do.
And Jaireen, you take Moses to be your lawful wedded husband, to her and to hold from this moment on for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish as long as you both shall live.
I do.
It's take the ring, your ring to hold. Take her ring, put it on her fourth finger. Say these words. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
in token and in pledge
in token and pledge
of my constant faith
and my constant faith
and abiding love.
and abiding love.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I marry you.
I marry you.
Jaireen, take Moses' ring. Look at him. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
in token and in pledge
in token and in pledge
of my constant faith
of my constant faith
and abiding love.
and abiding love.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I marry you.
I marry you.
You have joined yourselves in marriage. May you strive all your lives to meet this commitment with the same love and devotion that you now possess. Love, compassion, laughter, and wonderful gifts to share with one another. Delight in each other's company and do not take each other for granted. For you are not destined to enjoy the blending of both your lives. And now Moses and Jared, you have stood here today and exchanged your vows and your promises to one another. And so, by virtue of the authority that is vested in me from the state of California, I am very happy to announce you husband and wife, and you may kiss.
So guys, yun, ayun yung City Hall. Oh.
Asa ba ba?
Papunta na kami ng reception, kain kami guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Punta ka sa araw. Sabi niya ako.
Nakasilo yung ano, nakasilo ko yun. Oo.
Na-shock. Ayan, isa nag-provide namin ng parking.
Sure.
Let's go. So guys, kasi papunta na kami sana ng reception pero may nakalimutan akong regalo sa mga ninong namin eh. Sure. Dali, nakalimutan ko yung mga regalo. Ninong namin. So eto, isang buong box na siya. Babe, okay ka pa? Ay, pupunta na kami ng reception and then, ayan si Jai, ang newlywed. Kaya pa ba, babe? Sa Chinatown. Dito yung Chinatown yun.
Left time is bad.
Saan tayo punta, babe? Ha? Saan tayo punta? Reception na.
kakain na.
Kain na na.
Dito ko.
Yan, dito kami kakain sa City View Restaurant. Tingnan natin kung bukas na, guys. Dito ba tayo?
Aba.
Kaya,
Meron pong mga ano. Basta Chinese po mga fried rice.
sarap dito. Yan natin. Thank you, babe. Dumating na lahat ng food namin, guys. Guys, ang pagkain. Ayun, guys. Tapos lang namin kumain. Yan, dito kami sa Chinatown ngayon. Ngayon, Chinatown.
Si Papa,
Busog ka ba?
si Papa sobrang busog. Ka-order. Kanin pa lang, mukha ka na, hindi na hinintay yung ulam.
So yun guys, busog na kami. Papunta na kami sa...
Honeymoon kayo dyan para makabuo kayo.
Relax naman kayo.
Makabuo pa kayo ni mama ng isang babae.
Thank you po, Ninong Art. Salamat po, salamat. Binigyan kami ng mga ninong namin. Thank you po. Balik na sa Hilton at uwi na sila sa Los mga ninong namin. Wow.
Ayun.
Iiwan na lang po. Salamat po.
Kinala po nina.
Okay po. Salamat po ulit.
Ingat po.
Ano po yung exit? Yon guys, dito na kami sa hotel namin. Woo! So finally, ang pinakahihintay. We are officially married. Tcharan! So maraming salamat sa nagbigay sa amin yung mga ninong namin. From Ninong Homer and family. Moises and Jai. Kompleto pa yung name ko. Thank you po, Ninong Homer. And sa kasama ni Ninong Homer, maraming salamat din po. And kay Ninong Art. Ninong Art and Ninang Ana. Ayan. Tsaka maraming salamat din kay Ninong Vito. Tsaka kay Mama and Papa na umattend ng ceremony namin. To Moises and Jai, best wishes to both of you. Our love. Tito Homer and family. Thank you. Thank you na Ninong Art eh. Ayan. Okay, thank you. Yan, si Tito S, meron din. And then, si Ninong Art. Ready na kami para sa check-out namin dito. Napakaganda nung stay, hindi na kami napagod, napaka-convenient, no?
Yes, napakalapit lang sa...
Napakalapit lang sa ceremony
City Hall.
namin sa City Hall. So, yun nga, maraming salamat sa nag-gift sa amin si Michi. Kay Leo, syempre, maraming salamat. So, hindi na kami nahihirapan, hindi na kami gumising ng maaga para bumiyahe sa San Jose to San Francisco ng 30 minutes. So, yun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching. Maraming salamat. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Magandang buhay!